Hello students, myself Prakriti Kotwal and we are going to start the first chapter of your history, that is the French Revolution. Before start this chapter, first of all we should know about the words French and Revolution. Students, people of France are called French and revolution means when an action taken by a large group of people try to change the government of a country, especially by violent action. So, our today's topic is what are the causes of French Revolution. Students, the French Revolution was a watershed event in modern European history that began in 1789 and ended in 1799. Dear students, the Royal Bourbon family originated in France in 1272. This is a simplified family tree of the House of the Bourbon. The House of the Bourbon is a cadet branch of the Capetan dynasty that descended from a younger son of King Louis IX of France. Louis IX's grandson was the first Duke of Bourbon, whose descendants would later become kings of France. Bourbon was finally overthrown in the July Revolution of 1830. In 1774, Louis XVI of the Bourbon's family of kings ascended the throne of France, means he became the ruler of the France. He was only 20 years old and married to the Austrian princess Marie Antoinette. Upon his accession, the new king found an empty treasury because long years of war had drained the financial resources of France. France also helped the 13 American colonies to gain their independence from Britain. But the war added more than a billion livres to a debt that had already risen to more than 2 billion livres. Students, livres was the currency of Kingdom of France. So, France's costly involvement in the American Revolution and extravagant spending by King Louis XVI and his predecessors had left the country on the brink of bankruptcy. And to meet its regular expenses, such as the cost of maintaining King's Palace of Versailles, an army, the court, running government offices or universities, the state was forced to increase taxes which angered the people, and that is the political cause of French Revolution. There are also some other causes like social cause and economic cause of French Revolution. Now, what was the social cause? Students, French society in the 18th century was divided into three estates, or we can say groups, namely the clergy, the nobility, and third estates comprises of businessmen, merchants, peasants and artisans, laborers. And that society of estates was the part of the feudal system. A feudal system is a type of social and political system in which landholders provide land to tenants in exchange for their loyalty and service. Students, first two estates, that is the clergy and the nobility, enjoyed certain privileges by birth. They were exempt from paying any taxes, but all the members of third estates had to pay taxes to the state. These included a direct tax called taille and a number of indirect taxes which were levied on articles of everyday consumption like salt or tobacco. And the people of the first estate too extracted its share of taxes called tithes from the peasants. And that is the social cause of the French Revolution. Now, what's the economic cause of French Revolution? Students, the population of France also increased from 23 million in 1715 to 28 million in 1789. Food grains were now great in demand. The price of bread shot up. Wages didn't keep pace with rising prices, and this led to subsistence crisis. Subsistence crisis can be defined as an extreme situation where the basic means of livelihood are endangered. Dear students, there was also an immediate cause of French Revolution. On 5th May 1789, Louis XVI called together an assembly of a States Journal to pass proposals for new taxes. He wanted to increase taxes, but third estates protested against this proposal and they walked out of the assembly. And 1789 is the year when the first step of the French Revolution began, when Louis XVI called the Estates General of 1789 a meeting of representatives of each of the three estates. Now, what happened in meeting of Estates General? What type of meeting was that? What the people of Third Estates did after walked out of the assembly? You will find the answers of these questions in next part of this chapter. Thank you.